Oi everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to the kitchen. With one of the biggest dinners of the year coming up, I prepared 4 delicious recipes for you to make with the holiday leftovers. I'll even show you how to make meals that work for breakfast, brunch and dinner, along with some Brazilian inspiration. In Brazil, we call it RO, restos de ontem. These leftovers won't be left over for long. So, vamos, let's cook! So, for the leftovers, I will be using some turkey breast, turkey gravy, cranberry sauce, panettone, some cheddar and gorgonzola cheese, and classic mashed potatoes. Panetto is an Italian bread that we love to eat for breakfast in Brazil. But really, you could eat this sandwich for brunch or any time of the day. Just cut your leftover panettone into thick pieces. Butter your sides and add some nice strong cheese from your dinner cheese platter. I like the old cheddar because it contrasts perfectly with the sweetness of the panettone. Use a sandwich press or a pan just like a grilled cheese and grill your sandwich until nice and golden. If you want to make a little cheese crisp, grill some cheese on the grill. It's so nice on top of the sandwich. Serve with cranberry sauce. The smell of the sweet, fruity bread is unique and incredible. For brunch, we're going to make my turkey and waffles with mashed potatoes, bacon and gravy. First, let's make some bacon in the oven. Bake your bacon strips for about 20 to 30 minutes until you have a mix of very crispy pieces and some softer ones. Slice the soft pieces into small pieces and set aside. For the crispy ones, just smash them. For the waffle dough, in a bowl combine 1 cup and 1 tablespoon of flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In another bowl, mix 2 large eggs and add a 3/4 cup of buttermilk. Mix and add 60 grams of melted butter. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until the batter comes together. There will be lumps, don't worry. Cover and let it sit at room temperature for at least 30 minutes and up to 1 hour. Cook your waffles following the instructions of your machine. My waffle make is from Cuisinart. I just add the dough and set it to the level of color I want and it beeps when it's ready. Setting 3 makes the nice and golden brown. It's great because you don't have to keep checking on it or even flip. I'll leave the link to the waffle maker below if you need it. Serve the waffle with sliced turkey, mashed potato and gravy on top. Add the crispy bacon and chives to garnish. This combination is so good! The waffle's fluffy texture reminds me of the stuffing from Christmas night. For dinner, I will be doing a Brazilian-style Shepard Pie, with leftover mashed potatoes, pulled turkey, and an incredible creamy cheesy coconut sauce. In Brazil, we call this dish little hidden, because the main protein is always hidden between some mashed potato, cassava, or even plantain. First, you need to pull apart all your leftover turkey. Next, let's make our cheese sauce. Start by melting 1/4 cup or 57 grams of butter. Add 150 grams of cream cheese when the butter is melted. Whisking, add 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1/2 cup of the turkey gravy. Add in part to check the texture. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add some Gorgonzola cheese to taste. Whisk all the way and boil it on medium heat until the lumps are gone. Take it off the heat and add the turkey. Slice bacon from before. About 1/2 can of corn. Stir and combine well. Into a casserole dish, add your leftover mashed potatoes, about 1 inch thick. Add the turkey sauce and add some cheese. Add more potato on top and cheese again. I'm using some Emmental. You can use any melting cheese you like. Bake for about 15 minutes until the cheese is melted and the top is lightly golden. Add some chives on top after baking. Serve with some cranberry sauce. I loved using the cranberry sauce with it. It was a perfect fusion and a new flavor for me because in Brazil we don't make this sauce. Now we can't forget dessert. For my dessert, I'm using our amazing leftover panettone again from my panettone Nutella French toast rolls. You just need to cut it in medium size or whatever you have left. They just need to be pieces close to squares. Use a rolling pin, or if you don't have one, a bottle of wine works just fine. Press it down when you roll to make it then nice and flat. Add some Nutella. Make rolls and seal the edges. Heat a medium pan with some oil. Use the same French toast mix recipe from my French toast video. The link is in the description. Slightly soak the rolls in the mix. Do not soak them too much. Add the butter to the pan over medium heat, about 1 tablespoon. Add the rolls and cook until golden brown. Cover the roll in a mix of sugar and cinnamon. Place them in the oven for 10 minutes. Serve with Nutella on top and berries. This dessert really got me. The fruit from the panettone came out really nice with the Nutella. This is a must to try. So everybody, I hope you like the recipes and try them at home. If you try them, don't forget to let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I hope you have a beautiful holidays and enjoy with your family. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas! Feliz Natal! See you in the next video. Ciao!